Hello guys, welcome to Happy Streamers channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to send your Gmail message. So guys, let's continue into your Gmail account. Now tap on the pencil icon compose. And guys, in this option too, here enter the Gmail account your friend to whom you want to send the email. And then here the option subject, you can add any subject that you want. And then the final option compose email, here you can write the message you want to send to your friend. And then after all this, just tap on the send button which is in the middle beside three dots, and then your email message will be sent. So guys, that's how you can send your email message to your friend very easily. And guys, I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, then please give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching the video.